We were talking this morning, I kept calling it pump hydrogen, but it's actually pump hydro. What can you tell us about it?
Yes, so SJVN has received a letter of intent from the government of Mizoram, and this is for the allotment of the Darzo Lui Pump Storage Project, which is a hydrogen storage project. And this project is set to have an installed capacity of 2,400 megawatts, with the estimated cost of project at 13,947.5 crore, which kind of brings the capital cost per megawatt to 5.8 crores. And the project is set to be completed about 72 months. And it is key to note that in the FY24 management con call, SJVN management has said that this is a space that the company plans to enter and expects of their bidding pipeline to fructify in FY25, FY26. Currently, the total installed capacity of the entire firm stands at 2,377 megawatts across the board. They have a total of 11 projects under construction, 4 in the hydro segment, 1 thermal power, and 12 solar projects under operation or construction. When you talk about their future outlook, they target 25 gigawatt portfolio by 2030 and 50 gigawatt by 2040. The company is exploring opportunities in the pump storage space, clearly it's working out for them with the order win. Their joint venture with IOCL is planning to focus on power generation, green hydrogen, and EV charging. And lastly, they're going to issue tenders for PSP, which is pump storage hydropower projects, in FY25-26 with an FY25 capex for the whole year at 12,000 crores.
Thanks so much, Mika, for getting us those details. We're talking about a new innovation, one which has significant potential, the pump storage hydroelectric power. And we're joined now by Lancelot Dikuna, CIO of ValueX Wealth Connect, as well as Ayush Mehta, Technical Research Analyst at Nirmal Bang. Thank you so much to both of you for taking the time and for joining us this morning. Lancelot, I'm curious about what you make of this very large order, 13,000 plus crore. It is significant, of course, for SJVN. What do you make of this company, though, and the run-up, of course, in the stock price? Is it still a good buy at this juncture?
Well, I think, based on the orders and based on the expectation, the government is going to spend a lot more on renewable energy projects. The stock has actually risen significantly. So if you look at, its 1 year trailing earnings, it's trading at almost 65 times. It has a market cap of close to 60,000 crores. So I think it is quite expensive, because even though you receive a large order like this, it takes almost 18 months to 24 months before you can start seeing some profits from this order kick into the financials. So, I think based on news, we are jumping in a little bit ahead of time. And maybe there's expectation that we will receive one order like this every month. And that's where, the stock is moving like this. But it appears that, the risk-reward ratios at such high levels then become extremely unattractive, because in case there's a bad quarter or a bad couple of months, you could see disappointment creep into the stock, and then it begins to sell off dramatically. So one should really stay away at this point in time, because the stock has really run up so much. But if it does correct significantly, then you can look at it as maybe a long-term play on the renewable energy power sector.